I snagged the Pazio flat-weight bench for my hubby during the holiday season, aiming to kickstart our New Year's resolutions together. Juggling benches in our basement and garage has been a workout in itself, and this Pazio edition has turned out to be a game changer for our home gym setup. After sifting through reviews, most folks praised its value, and I'm on the same page. Standing at 5'10", my hubby and our son, who's 6'1", find it just right for their size. Sure, the ad flaunts a whopping 660 kilogram weight capacity, but let's be real, 99% of us won't be benching a small car. The bench comfortably handles a solid 300 pounds and likely more. But the thing is, the average home gym user will never lift this heavy. For a quick demo, I had my hubby try the bench out with our squat rack. Keep in mind, he wasn't fully warmed up when I shot this, hence the lighter weights on his barbell. Clocking in at under 9 pounds, this bench is feather light, making it a breeze to shuffle around or toss into our garage gym. Its versatility for various exercises adds a dynamic touch to our home workouts. Definitely a worthy addition. Putting it together was a walk in the park, according to my hubby. It comes in 5 pieces where you're essentially connecting the legs to the bench. The bench itself boasts a plush thickness and ample padding, offering a comfy spot for your workout grind. All in all, a solid pick for anyone looking to elevate their home gym setup and inject some vitality in their exercise routine.